The holiday season is approaching fast. Christmas trees are being lit, Halloween costumes are flying off the shelves, and parties are in full swing. But here's the pressing question for Muslims. Should we be celebrating these holidays? Stay with me as we uncover what these holidays truly mean and why participating might not align with our Islamic teachings. On the surface, these holidays might seem like innocent fun or a chance to enjoy time with friends and family. But what lies beneath the twinkling lights and the cheerful costumes? Let's start with Christmas. While many see it as a universal celebration of joy and giving, it is, at its core, a Christian holiday commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, viewed in Christianity as the Son of God. For Muslims, this directly contradicts the fundamental belief in the oneness of Allah. We love and respect Prophet Isa, peace be upon him, but the way Christmas is celebrated holds theological beliefs that Muslims do not share. Then we have Halloween. It's often seen as harmless, a night of costumes and candy, but in reality it has roots in ancient pagan rituals, believed to be linked to summoning spirits and warding off evil. These origins are deeply problematic from an Islamic perspective, as they involve ideas that go against Tawheed, the oneness of Allah. To gain deeper insight into this matter, let's turn to the words of one of the most respected contemporary scholars, Sheikh Saleh Al Fawzan. His guidance on this topic is clear and uncompromising. Sheikh Al Fawzan explains why celebrating non-Islamic holidays is not just a minor issue, but a significant concern for preserving the integrity of our faith. To provide clear guidance on this topic, let's refer to an important moment when a questioner posed this exact issue to Sheikh Saleh Al Fawzan. The question was as follows: O Sheikh, with the commencement of the new year in the Gregorian calendar, the celebration for Christmas and other festivities begins. What is the ruling on participating in their parties, whether by working there, attending, exchanging gifts, or congratulating one another?
لا يجوز كل هذا، لا يجوز مشاركتهم وحضورها. الله جل وعلا قال: والذين لا يشهدون الزور، يعني لا يحضرون أعياد الكفار، لأن حضورهم فيها إقرار لها ورضا بالمنكر، هذا لا يجوز. ولا تهنئتهم فيها، لا يجوز هذا كله، لأنها أعياد مبتدعة، حتى في دين النصارى ما هي مشروعة، إنما هم ابتدعوها.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever imitates a people is one of them." This hadith alone should give us pause. But what about just joining in for the fun? Can't we enjoy it without the religious aspect? Here's the thing. Participating in these celebrations can dilute the essence of our own faith. It can subtly shift our values and make us more accepting of practices that are contrary to Islam. Participating in Christmas can signal religious agreement. Halloween's links to pagan practices are incompatible with Islamic values. Maintaining our unique identity is vital for strong faith. Living in diverse societies doesn't mean we have to compromise our beliefs. We can be kind, respectful, and engaging with others without partaking in religious or spiritual practices that contradict Islam. Instead, let's strengthen our bonds by inviting others to join us in celebrations that are rooted in our faith, like Eid, which reflects joy, community, and devotion to Allah. At the end of the day, staying true to our faith is a reminder of who we are. We must guard our hearts and practices against influences that could lead us astray. Remember, the essence of Islam is submission to the will of Allah, a path that is clear and complete. Brothers and sisters, if this resonated with you, share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe to Peaceful Teachings for more insights that nurture your faith. May Allah guide us and protect us. Assalamu alaikum.